Hi, welcome back to our channel NutriDelicious. If you like our video, please do hit like, share the video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for upcoming videos. This is a recipe for making eggless red velvet cake. Sounds exciting, doesn't it? Let's get started with the recipe. Take a plate and place a strainer over it. Pour 1½ cup of all-purpose flour. Add 2 teaspoons of light cocoa powder. Do not add dark cocoa powder as it will turn the cake brown instead of red. Then add 1 teaspoon baking soda to it. Now mix the dry mixture and sieve it. Keep this dry mixture aside. Take a mixing bowl. Add to it 1 cup of powdered sugar, ½ cup oil, mix this well using a hand blender. Now add a ¼ cup of curd, 2 teaspoon lemon juice, now mix it well. Now add 4 to 5 teaspoon red raspberry liquid color. Mix this well. Now add dry mix to it. Blend it together. Now add 1 cup of buttermilk. Mix it well until no lumps are found, and do not overmix the mixture as it will make the cake heavy. Here I am mixing it together using a spatula. Our cake batter is ready. Grease the baking pan. Transfer the cake batter to the baking pan. Now bake it for 25 to 30 minutes at 170 degrees centigrade in a preheated oven. After 30 minutes of baking, our cake is ready. Wow, the cake looks stunning. Let it cool down. Let us prepare cheese cream frosting. Take a mixing bowl. Add 1 cup of cheese cream. Blend it using a hand blender to make the cream smoother. Now at this stage, add 3 scoops of whipped cream, which is readily available in the supermarkets. If you have a whipped cream without sugar, add 2½ cup of powdered sugar to it. Now blend the mixture using a hand blender. After 5 to 6 minutes, you will find that the cream has started becoming smoother and also rising. To check if the cream has become stiff, look at the peaks. If they are dropping, blend it again. After some time, you will see the peaks are firm and holding up. This is an indication that the cream is ready. Let's take the sponge cake. Using a bread knife, shave off the upper uneven part to make the cake surface even. Grind the shaving in the grinder and place them aside. We will use them later. Here I have a cake slicer cutter with an adjustable wire. Let's adjust the wire to the center of the cake vertically and then slice it through the center. Keep the upper layer aside. Spread some cream over the plate on which the cake will be placed. First take the base layer and apply plain water on the base layer to make it moist. Now take some cream and apply over the layer. Spread it evenly to make a proper layer of cream over the cake sponge. Now place the top layer and repeat the steps of applying water and then cream. Apply the cream to the sides too. This is a scraper to scrap the surface evenly. Using this, I am scraping off the extra cream and trying to make the surface even at the top and along the sides too. Do not worry if the surface is not absolutely even, as we are going to decorate it and it will get covered completely. Take the crumbles, that is the ground part of the cake which we have placed aside. Put those crumbles on the sides like this. Also put those crumbles on the top. Now using the star nozzle, make swirls like this. Here we go! Our eggless red velvet cake is ready. Let us cut the cake. Wow, the cake looks splendid, and yes, you will love it. If you like the video, please try it and share the photos. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment box. And yes, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye bye.